Hello, and welcome to Nails for the Week. My name is Lori, and I hope you have an absolutely fabulous day today. I know I am because you're here and we get to play in the nail room. All right, today we have a little bit of a haul from Daily Charm. We've got that mystery bag, plus we've got this beautiful heart nail tip stand. Isn't that just gorgeous? I just had to get it. I have not seen a little heart one like that before. And because it was Valentine's Day, it was on sale for 20% off. Super cute. And a really nice, strong magnet. Look at that glitter. So pretty. I also purchased a little bag of these hollow heart charms. I really liked the double hearts in there. I thought they were really pretty. Hopefully I get to use them before Valentine's Day, but most likely not. And we also have the big old bag. Well, I shouldn't say big bag. It's just a mystery nail art bag. It's got a whole lot of the paper worms in there, white gold, and then there are some iridescent in there if you want to save that for using in nails. It's just angel paper is all it really is. But let's get this all out of the way. We've got some angel paper. This one shifts yellow and green and like a purpley pink. Very pretty. Let's get you down here for the charms. We've got some seashells. They're all the same oyster type seashells or clamshells, I guess. But there's 3 different sizes. And let's see, I'm pretty sure I bring a pen out to show you how itty bitty they actually are. I know they look huge on the screen, but that is a normal Bic ballpoint pen, just so that you can see how tiny the tiny ones actually are. We've also got this sheet of 3D butterfly stickers, mostly gold. They're pretty. Yada. Okay, we've got a bag of silver 3D square charms. They're all the same size. I think I might have a few of them already. I'll probably throw them in the giveaway box. And we've got these great big beads. And they seem like they're great big, but they're like bubbles though. They're very pretty. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. But hey, there might be something cool down the road that we can think of, right? They're very pretty. All right, now we have these very tiny little pearls, all in spring colors. Very staticky little pearls, but there are a ton of them. Most of them wouldn't come out of the bag because they're so staticky. They're all stuck to the cellophane. It's kind of I was having a heck of a time when I was doing this. It was a mess. They were all over my desk. And then we've got, these are really gorgeous. They're yellow. They're yellow AB, so they're probably like citrine or something, but they're the bigger charms. And then we've got, these are the little paper charms that you get, or that you can get. I guess it's, unless they're called decals maybe, but they're flat, all Christmas ones. Cute. And then I got a bag of different charms, just a whole mix of mostly heart charms. It looks like a blue spider. And yes, that gold band does say bitch. If you can read it, it's upside down, but that key has a green gemstone in it. Yep, there it is. Daily Charm always puts that sticker on their pots so they don't open in shipping, which is really nice. And we've got a pot of the white plastic flowers and the caviar beads that everybody has been using lately. I think there are 3 different sizes of flowers. We also have a pot of multicolored mylar flakies, which is very gorgeous. And then we have this, I'm not even really sure what it is, but it is a holographic silver flake type thing. It is super, super fine flakes. I would say that it's maybe even slightly thinner than like gold leaf or silver leaf. It is crushed up pretty good, and it's don't sneeze when you have it open. All right. All right. And we have the unicorn holographic chrome powder. Look at how gorgeous that is. Let's try those 2 out because I want to know, daily chromes or daily charms chromes and a lot of their other stuff can be very expensive. And I was wondering if it works as well as the price says it should. You follow me? And I wanted to know if those little flakies would stick on a no wipe top coat just like a chrome would. They do, by the way. As you can see, I was trying to get like just my bare finger in there and see if that would work better. You see how beautifully that holographic chrome works? It really works nicely, and there's a ton of it in the pot. So I am just kind of trying to rub this in. You'll get a chunky, kind of flaky look. It looks really nice if that's if that's what you're looking for. And I wanted to try the chrome out on white just to see if it would make a difference, if it would still show up really nice or not. So that's what we did. Turned out really nice, I thought. That's my personal opinion. You see the different flakies. Now we're kind of scooping everything back into the frame. That's all that I purchased. That's what I got from the mystery nail art bag. I thought it was a pretty good deal. I really liked the chrome and that flake, along with all of the charms. There was a ton of charms in this bag. Ton of different stuff. I really like this bag. I hope you did too. If you liked this video, please leave me a like. Comment down below if you liked this. If you've ever tried a mystery daily charm bag, let me know. And subscribe if you're not already. I would definitely appreciate it. I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye!